Welcome back. Congress is unable to take any action against Babush Montserrat. Congress Working Committee pressed for action against Babush Montserrat following defeat in Panji by-poll. Many Congress leaders were upset with the party's lackluster approach. But Babush doesn't care anymore. He says that next CCP mayor would be decided taking BJP into consideration.
Siddharth Kukarkar won Panji by-poll with margin of more than 5,000. Santa Cruz MLA Babush Montserrat says he backed the BJP. Congress Working Committee demanded an action against Babush Montserrat following defeat in Panji by-poll in a meeting held on Monday. GPCC Chief Luisin Falero sought opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane's advice. Rane apparently spoke on Kiran Bedi and not Babush or Panji. When media questioned Ramakant Khalab, this is how he replied.
There have been certain individuals who have worked against the party. Well, so far as we all know that public statements were made supporting the BJP. So we are going by that, which is the obvious proof. So the executive committee is taking note of that. The contribution for or against of individual leaders, MLAs, executive committee members is being compiled. And depending upon the work done by each one, gradation will take place. The most severe penal action will be against those whose actions have led to the party's whatever situation that the party is in today. The legislature party has been requested now by the executive committee to take stock.
Babush is moving ahead with a care a damn attitude for Congress. He has openly announced that next CCP mayor will be selected with consultation with the BJP.
It was very clear. I had said that I would not support a Congress candidate, and especially Mr. Suren Furtad, I would not support. So I have not supported. In fact, my full support was for the BJP.
Okay. If your party take any actions,
I am welcome. See, you get what you asked for. So if anyone feels that I have done wrong, it is basically anyone is free to take any actions. Doesn't make any difference to me.
Sir, you have the 16 councillor. Now there will be any change in mayor?
No, I am just thinking. Basically, we'll work out. Actually, I will work out with the BJP regarding the council this time.
After deliberating for 4 hours, Congress somehow resolved that party will not give ticket to those who work against the party. However, no resolution is taken with regards to any particular worker or leader. Congress leaders are upset as party is reluctant to take direct action against Babush. Sources say Luisin is unhappy with the happenings, but opposition leader has stayed aloof from any action-taking initiative. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Sharpshooter of Dawood gang Shyam Kishore Garikapatti was using Saligaon-based rented premises as a hideout. The Goa police is suspecting he used to plot crimes with his associates at Saligaon. But police has failed to register FIR against the landlady who had rented her house to the accused without tenant verification. A senior police officer told Prudent that police cannot book the landlady till Deputy Collector does not lodge a complaint.
Investigation so far has revealed that aide of Dawood, Shyam Kishore Garikapatti, has not committed any crime in Goa. During the interrogation, accused Shyam Kishore has confessed that he used to commit crime in the state of Maharashtra and was hiding in Goa. But during the investigation, police has learned that his close associates also used to visit the rented premises at Saligaon, claiming to be his colleagues. Police is suspecting that in rented premises at Saligaon, Shyam and his associates used to plot crimes to be committed in Maharashtra. Police claims that the landlady who had rented her premises to Shyam Kishore intentionally did not go in for tenant verification. Police also claims that to hide her income from the rent, the landlady used to take the rent in cash. But so far, local police is helpless to register a case against alleged accused landlady unless the concerned deputy collector complains. But a senior police officer told Prudent that authority is likely to lodge a complaint against the landlady on Tuesday. Goa police says that Maharashtra police is most likely to take custody of Shyam Kishore, and the account of all crimes committed by him will be revealed in the joint investigation. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.